Hello, everybody. Welcome to this talk here tonight. Just something I want to share with you before we start. We always ask questions about our life. How can it improve life? How can it better life? Stuff like that. And then we always wait for the right time. But when is the right time? Because always just waiting for the right time, then it never comes. Maybe tonight is the right time for you to say yes. But let me introduce myself a bit and tell you where I come from. But before I do that, a disclaimer. I'm going to share information with you from a primary healthcare perspective. So please, I'm not trying to play the role of a medical doctor or anything like that. But the information I'm sharing with you is there to help you think and make wise decisions. Now, if you look at the state of our health in the world, but before we get to that, let's talk about my own state of health. When I was young, I at one stage had rheumatic fever. And since then, I was 14 years old, I had recurring throat infections 10 to 12 times a year. I needed antibiotics 3 to 4 times a year. That went on for about 17 or 18 years. And then I was introduced to the concept of better health, how to look after health, and what you can do health-wise, and that changed our lives, not only health-wise but also financially. I'm going to explain that also, how this fit together. It changed our health dramatically. I remember some other examples in our family. One of our children, dairy allergy, was a medication, preventative medication. We looked at certain things in his health, gave him some natural whole food supplements. Within a month, we saw the difference and he could throw away medication. And since then, he had a normal life when it comes to ice cream and chocolates and stuff like that. So, the state of our health individually is important. But let's look at in terms of countries. Now, the top 6 chop and change every few months or every year. So, but those are roughly the countries who find the top 6 normally. And then you see there United Kingdom, United States approximately there, and South Africa. Yeah, okay, let's not say anything about South Africa there. Okay, we're rock bottom. Now, there are a lot of reasons for that. I'm not going to talk about all the reasons tonight. It's not time for that. But chronic disease is on the increase worldwide. Give you an idea, that's the US. In South Africa, last year, diabetes was the #1 killer disease. It has dramatically increased since when I was a child. I was a child, diabetics were almost like somebody who would see in a museum almost. Nowadays, it's almost every second or third person knows at least somebody who's got diabetes. Now, it's terrible. The state of our health has declined. Chronic disease increased. And chronic disease caused 71% of all deaths globally. And the CDC says up to 80% could have been prevented, delayed, or alleviated through proper nutrition and better lifestyle choices. Others, you make decisions that affect your future. Not only health-wise, but lifestyle-wise, but also money-wise, and so on. We make decisions. Heart disease, cancer, respiratory diseases, and diabetes account for 80% of the chronic diseases. If you go work out, that's almost 60% of all deaths. Okay, but 60% because of deaths that could have been prevented if people made wise choices. So people say, but we eat right. Right. If you really believe that, I don't know. Do your homework. Do research. Here's a study that showed that in a study of nearly 22,000 people, not even one got 10 specific essential nutrients every day in the diet. They looked for only 10 specific ones. Now, there are about 9 amino acids that are essential. What about all the others that are essential? Okay, and people not even got 10 specific essential nutrients from the regular diet. The reason being, our food quality has declined. There's an example there of studies about spinach and the decline in nutrient content there. An apple, well, when I was a child, an apple a day, give the doctor a day, whatever, But nowadays you have to eat 26 apples just to get the same amount of iron from those days. It's shocking. Oranges, you have to eat 8 oranges today to get the same value of 1 in the 1980s. Shows you by how much our food has declined. And these are just 2 examples, there are many more. The question now is, should I supplement? And we know that in westernized and modern countries all over the world, 60, 78% of people use supplements sometime in their life. So that actually answers the question, should I supplement? Because there is a need for supplements. But there's also caution that we must look at. But our food, let's talk about our food. We already spoke about the decline in nutritional value. But yeah, GMO foods, research has shown that GMO maize, I want to say this is almost amazing, shocking, if you think about it. And in South Africa, more than 85% of maize is GMO, genetically modified. South Africa, unfortunately, is one of the biggest GMO producers in the world. Sad. That's why we are number 150 odd on the healthiest list. Now, this study showed in rats, testicle cancer and breast cancer in rats after eating GMO maize. Eating the boxes of the cereals, whatever, was actually healthier than the actual food. Then you other things like olive oil, in many cases not even proper olive oil and honey the same, antibiotics in farm grown fish, fake olive oils, fake honey, and these are all over the world. And people think you can eat healthy. Think again. Truth in labeling. Shocking, shocking. Clean label project found arsenic, cadmium, lead, acrylamide at high levels in nearly 80% of infant formula and baby foods. And we want our babies to be healthy. No wonder so many children now have got so many diseases and allergies and all these things. Because we feed them poison. Even some organics tested positive. 60% of the BPA-free samples actually had BPA. And BPA is a hormone disruptor. And we want our children to develop normally? No, there's something wrong here. The next one there. This package of corn chips. It says on the label, non-GMO. Okay? The research showed the chips actually was GMO. The company was actually sued, but they won the court case because they somehow managed to convince the court that non-GMO on the labeling was for the package and not the content. I find that that's the USA for you. Only the USA that type of thing can happen. Because really, why do you put stuff on the label? You put it there to tell people what's inside. Apparently not, according to that court. Okay. Third series of accountability. When you see those labels on products, you will know that these products have been tested by a third party. That means they should at least be like 80% plus okay, or organic or safe. The one that says SAB there, that one is 100%.
Here's a woman, Chris and Barbara met her, terminal cancer, fighting it the medical way for years. She starts looking after body, eating correctly, juicing, cooking from scratch. Here I am, I'm cancer-free for 36 years, and I'm still having vegetable juice every day. And we got onto a real good nutritional program, and there she is today, a tad difference. Can you spot the difference? Lost her. There you are. A tad difference, right? So that to me is really, really exciting.
So you can see there's an example of what proper nutrition can do for you. That lady was dying, and because she made changes to her lifestyle, changes to her diet, changes to her supplements, today she is healthy. But she's not the only one. There are many examples like that. Consumer Reports showed there are hidden drugs in many supplements sold on Amazon and eBay. Even number one bestsellers or the Amazon's choice. So You can buy so many bargains on the internet and in the pharmacies and shops, but unfortunately, you don't know what you're getting. You might be getting hidden drugs. Joint supplement contains undeclared drugs. Okay, there are many examples like that. Bloomberg News reports no evidence, zero results, nada, nothing. No aloe vera found in aloe vera at Walmart, Target, and CVS. Now that is shocking, eh? They advertise 100% aloe vera or contains aloe vera, and when you test it, there's no aloe vera in there. I hope you understand why I'm saying what's so difficult to stay healthy today by eating normally from shops and normally all over. That's why it's so difficult to say why you are healthy or not healthy, because of the choices you make. And the stuff in the shops are not what they're supposed to be. Another one of herbals here didn't contain the ingredients. It was in the label. This probiotic for babies, it took 19 months before the recall. 19! That is really terrible. I wonder how many babies got sick because of this probiotic. A multivitamin study, 21 top brands in America. There you can see what happened there. 11 of them did not match the label. So what's on the label, the ingredients in the bottle, doesn't match. 10 left. 3 of them did not dissolve at all. So why do you swallow it then if it doesn't dissolve? Then of the 7 that remained, 1 contained lead. You know, they've taken lead of paint, they've taken lead of petrol, but for some reason they put it into our pills. That's ridiculous. Okay? Then there were 6 left. What happened with those 6? The National Cancer Institute of the US took 2,000 cancer patients, stage 4 patients. For 1,000 of them, they gave a placebo. In other words, a pill that's got nothing in it. And the other 1,000 got the 6 best. Take note what happened. The 6 best multivitamins or synthetics, by the way, 32% increase in cancer. So stuff that's supposed to help you actually made you sicker. And these things are sold on the shelves in supermarkets and pharmacies and health stores. I mean, I really get very enthusiastic, put it that way. You know, people are being fooled.
Hi, my name is Barbara Mosley, and greetings from Northern California. I'm a nurse and have been a nurse for 24 years. Out of those 24 years, I was a type 2 diabetic for 15 years and struggled with my blood sugar all that while. I was also diagnosed with multiple sclerosis in 2016 and then kidney failure in 2017. I was quite sick. I had high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and I weighed over 220 pounds. I could barely walk by September of 2017. But I want to tell you my story, and that through whole food, organic whole food nutrition and organic whole food supplements, I was able to eradicate all those chronic illnesses. I lost 110 pounds since then, and I not only live a good life and survived all those chronic diseases, but I truly am thriving. My cholesterol is normal, my blood pressure is normal. Within a week of changing my diet and my supplementation, I was off all my diabetic meds, which hadn't happened in 15 years. It was incredible transformation. It was an incredible journey to go from being so sick and hardly walking because of the MS, to going to the gym every day, to being able to participate in lots of sports, to be able to run around with my grandchildren, to really get my life back. And I am grateful. If you are suffering from chronic disease, I really urge you to embrace the organic, whole food way of life for your supplementation and for your diet. It will make a difference.
What an amazing story. Wow. And it can happen for you as well. if you make the right choices, if you're prepared to make the right choices. Now, if you want to take a supplement, certain things you must think about. Firstly, is it made from human, natural, whole foods? Are these not synthetic isolates? A lot of people buy these cheap brands and they think it must help them. Now, there's a reason why they're cheap. If they're cheap, it's probably not going to help you. That's why they're cheap. Okay? Number 2, is it produced under a pharmaceutical license? 3, does the company do human clinical trials? I've actually found 4 companies on the calcium products, and all 4 said no, they don't test it on humans. They didn't even know the absorption rate. That's shocking. That's terrible. The one actually admit that if they were tested on humans, the pills would be too expensive and the people won't buy it. So do your homework. Number 4, is it the research published in peer-reviewed publications? And are there seals of accountability? I've shown you early on, seals of accountability. Are there such third-party seals that show that it has been tested by a third party? Alpha concentrates. Here's an example. This is called TNN, lipids and sterols. A Nobel Prize won by 2 scientists in 2003 for showing that these lipids and sterols help cells function better. Up to 50% better assimilation of nutrients, others nutrients going into the cells. Up to 55% better detoxification of cells. And unfortunately, these lipids and sterols have been removed from most of our foods. Simple reason, shelf life purposes. And we're missing out on this. You must get this in your food. There are capsules available that contain them. It helps to fill nutritional gaps because it helps balance male and female hormones, balance the thyroid, support adrenals, improve sleep, increase energy, improve mental health, aid nerve transmission and brain activity. This is a must for everybody, because just the fact that it improves assimilation of nutrients by up to 50% tells you you need it, because your cells can better utilize the nutrition you get from your food. Here's a study about beta-carotene, synthetic beta-carotene, that actually made the people sicker and increased the risk of getting cancer. Synthetics. Watch out for synthetics. Full nutritional gaps to help the body with a carotid complex. It's a natural product, also tested by USDA. It's found to boost your immune cells by 37%, killer cells by 20%, aging, curb cell oxidation damage by 44%, and slows down aging. Protect against cholesterol-related heart disease by up to 500%. All this in just 20 days. So this one also balances the overactive immune system. Not just improve the immune system, but balance it. Okay? People with autoimmune diseases, take note of that. Slows aging, avoids colds and flu, low risk of abnormal cells, reduce cognitive decline, and strengthen vision, better eyesight. You find this in the packet with the 4 pills in there. Here are some of the publications where the research can be found. And then there's also the salmon oil, or the omega-3, which has been shown to lower inflammation by 68% in just 8 weeks. Been tested, standardized, research published in scientific journals. Part of that package at the top there. That package or sachet contains the lipids and sterols, the carotid complex, the omega-3s, plus a multivitamin mineral supplement with some enzymes and so on in as well. Now the omega-3 in here, which is from fish, not synthetics, cold pressed, tested for more than 200 impurities. Okay, so it's the Rolls Royce of omega-3s. It's important for heart health, bone and joint health, improving memory and brain health, for headaches and migraines, for better vision, reducing mood swings, and for prostate issues. Very important. And people don't eat enough fish. You're supposed to eat oily fish at least twice a week. How many of you do? How many do eat it once a week? Shocking to think about it. Collagen products full of poisons, toxins, heavy metals, and so on. Protein powders, same story. And people buy these shakes thinking it's healthy. thinking it's going to benefit them, but they are poisoning themselves. Shocking that we are not protected by laws in our countries against these kind of products. So the responsibility is on you to do your homework and make wise choices. And plant-based powders will actually test the worst. And there is a shake of the market that's been tested on people. Even diabetes can use it. Contains proteins and forms of amino acids, fibers, and so on. All 22 amino acids in there. Vitamins, minerals. It's a real meal replacement with a very high absorption rate of the amino acids. Gives you better energy and focus, muscle growth and retention, weight loss or management, repair rebuilding tissue, and easy digestion. Combined with the sachet I spoke about, this is a fantastic breakfast replacement, giving you a good start to your day and filling the gap between what we are supposed to eat and what we are eating. Remember I showed you our food has declined in nutritional value? This helps to fill that gap for us.
Here's a story. Another person, a pastor's wife from the East Coast, phones me. Her cancer count is running at about 772. The medical industry says she's got about 30 days to live. And she starts following me. I said, what you doing? She said, I'm on the keto diet. I said, do you want to understand something about the keto diet? The only thing it's got is no sugar. It's got no carbs. I said, but you're not getting antioxidants, you're not getting polyphenols, you're not getting bioflavonoids, you're not getting cruciferous, nothing like that. Well, guess what happened? 4 months later, her cancer is down to 68. Now they say they don't know when she's going to die. She doesn't have 30 days to live anymore. Right? So look at this woman there across over, this man. His PSA is 172, and it should be there. Should be there. He's 52 years young. He says, Louis, I want to live. I've got a 12-year-old boy. What can I do? I said, this is what I would do if I was in your situation. Go and speak to your oncologist and say, can I become a health fanatic? Because they had told him that there was no hope for him, that he'd be dead in 14 months, even if he had surgery, chemo, and radiation. He had 14 months because he is so far gone. 7 weeks later, wrong machine. 7 weeks later, his cancer count was down to 2. 7 weeks later. Unbelievable. Absolutely so exciting.
Once again, nutrition can change your life. Now, just to end up quickly this part here, it's not only supplements that you must look at. Remember I said many supplements are actually toxic. Most supplements are synthetic and very often toxic and harmful or just don't help at all. But beyond supplements, look at your skincare products, personal care products, and so on. More than 13,000 chemicals are used in the cosmetics industry, and only about 10% have been tested for safety. That means more than 11,000 harmful ingredients may be in your cosmetics, and you think it's safe. There is a Nutrans organic skincare range, non-toxic, certified organic, which you can use without having the worries about being toxic, okay? And it's certified organic. Let's continue. Beyond supplements, cleaning products. We inhale so many fumes from cleaning products that actually damage your brain, your lungs, your organs all over your body, cause allergies and so many other hassles. And there are cleaning products on the market that actually can replace them, that are non-toxic, even safe enough to be used to clean the cages of butterflies in Italy. And it's cheaper in the end than most of the toxic ones. And there's also one being used to clean penguins, the oil-soaked penguins. And that one is available to you to wash yourself, wash your dishes, wash your hands. I mean, so many other uses as well. And it's not as expensive as many of the stuff in the shops that are toxic. This one is non-toxic.
Hello folks, what a privilege it is for me to spend a few minutes sharing with you about the most incredible opportunity that ever crossed my path. I was 26 years old when they discovered I had leukemia. Newly married to a wonderful bride for about 2 years, had a little baby daughter, and I was desperate to stay alive. The next 5 years, I fought my cancer the medical way. Well, after 5 years, I was sent home to die. It was a really traumatic time in our family. And that's when we discovered what an incredible God we have with impeccable timing. Because he sent somebody across my path to teach me that the body is the healer. That we have to change the environment and our lifestyle. And the first thing that I changed was the supplements I was taking. And within a matter of days, my energy increased, my liver swelling went down, my leukemia count improved. And I wanted to find out more about this company with these incredible products. You see, I thought that all supplements were whole food supplements. I was horrified to discover what I was taking had either turpentine, petroleum, rocks, or metal in. When I got into whole food, they changed my life. Then I started researching this company. Well, at that time, my wife and I, we had 4 companies in 3 different countries with about 200 staff. And the stress of that was also playing havoc on my life. And I was looking for an opportunity that had the benefits of this industry, but I didn't know there was an opportunity like that out there. And so as I researched this industry, I discovered, number one, this company sells to the world. That means you can have businesses around the globe. You're not based in one economy. Today, my wife and I, we've got income from 26 different countries around the globe. As I researched this industry, I discovered that you're wanting unique products. And the products of this company are so unique that there's not one other business on planet Earth that can serve you the quality, the ingredient, and the results that these products can supply. The next thing I discovered that you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. That to me was so incredible because any other industry, most of them fail because of either lack of expertise or lack of income. And this business, you don't need expertise because you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Somebody's going to guide you and train you and empower you. At the same time, you don't need income because this business will create its own income as you go along. You don't have to invest thousands into education and learning that you take out from your income that you're producing from this business. The next thing I loved about this opportunity was flexi time. It's a little hobby you start at spare time, and while I had my business of 200 staff, I started this up and I actually could replace my income within a few years from this opportunity. Well, the more I researched it, the more excited I got about it because I discovered there's no staff, there's no bosses. That to me was absolutely incredible because I had 200 staff and I always wanted to be my own boss, but I didn't want the stress that went with it. I didn't have to have warehousing. The company does the warehousing. I didn't have to do the shipping. The company does the shipping. I didn't have to control marketing plans. The company controls all that kind of stuff. So Yara was free to do what I was best at, and that was working with people. I just had to grow in that area. Well, today this business has allowed us to travel the world, to own ourselves. We've been full-time in this opportunity for close on 27 years. What an incredible opportunity that within a matter of months of getting involved, we could go full-time and earn a decent income out of this opportunity. Today, our children love the opportunity. Today, I've got no cancer. I'm healthy. I've got an incredible wife. My daughter today has got children, so I've got grandchildren from people that I thought I'd never even meet. And that to me is just so, so exciting. Here we are, we're sitting on the banks of the Tugela River in southern Africa, having a great time with 20 leaders from around the world, all being rewarded for this incredible opportunity. Anyway, folks, I want to tell you, get hold of the person who gave you this DVD, because the information that they have got for you can empower you to change your life and live the life that you can only dream of. Thank you so much.
What an amazing testimony. And it can be true for you as well. Now, why have we decided to use the opportunity? Well, we had financial difficulties, we had health issues, but we started with the financial reasons. One Christmas we had to choose between school clothes for gifts for our children versus toys. We couldn't afford both because financially we had problems. We needed a solution. A solution was offered to us, but we said no. It took 2 years before we said yes. We first tried so many other things. My wife made track suits, which is sold. She baked banana loaves and sold to home industries. My wife and I, we sold makeup. Yes, I could tell about crimson red lipstick and nail polish, all these things, man. And I had a plant this in the backyard, selling plants over weekends at craft markets as well. I wanted to study a master's degree. I actually started with it. But then we got introduced to this opportunity, and the first month I made 3 times more than my salary increase would have been after 4 years studying for my master's degree. Now, that was easy sum to make. I stopped the master's degree. This changed your lives, financially and health-wise. That's why I'm sharing this with you. That opportunity started in USA in 1958. Long-term vision. It's not a fly-by-night thing. It's established. It has proven itself. Operates in about 60 countries as well. Again, there's security in what we do. You are your own boss. You can do this part-time or full-time. Get free training and support. In business, for yourself, but not by yourself. That's why we do these Zoom talks. So people who are new or people who don't know how to do these things can invite friends and family to come and watch and see what we do. And we introduce them to the business as well. Save and make money. Can get holidays. Unlimited income. You determine your own income. And you can earn foreign currency. And there are many other benefits as well. Not just foreign currency, all these I've mentioned, but many more. We all share great news. If you see bargains or find something exciting, you are going to tell somebody. I mean, that's who we are. Like this example of the potatoes we saw at this shop a few years back. We immediately contacted a few people, told them about the potatoes. We marketed the potatoes for the shop, but who made the profit? Who made the money? Not us. The shop did. I think that's a bit stupid, on the one hand. On the other hand, we did our friends a favor because they got potatoes for cheap. And that's who we are. We share things when we're excited and we want to help other people. So what do you have to do? You show others how to buy at a discount and save. Like I did with the potatoes. I told people about the potatoes. I showed them how to save. Okay? You cut out wholesalers, advertisers, retailers, reps, and shoplifters in the process in what we do. Because you can buy at wholesale. You show people how to buy at wholesale. Normal business works like that. From the manufacturer to the consumer, there are many people in between, all the middlemen. No, we don't want that. That's why there's a red cross there. We want the manufacturer, straight to consumer. Yes, there must be some advertising stuff. That's what we're doing here tonight as well. But that's the only thing that's there. So people can buy quality products for cheaper. That's what we want. We show others how to use products at a discount. What products? Healthcare products, weight management products, home care products, skin and personal care products. Consumables that people buy regularly. They have to buy it. What do you have to do? You show others how to buy at a discount and save. Simple. If that's you, the red person there, red man, that's you. You are 2 people for argument's sake, 2 people, and they start using products at a discount. This is just an example to show the principle. Okay, these numbers are actually very low, but if you talk to 2 people and they're the same as you, there are 3 people now doing £300, dollars, rands, whatever turnover or currency you want to use. If you teach those first 2 to do exactly what you have done there at the beginning, and they do exactly now the same, they each get 2 people here on the left hand side, and you get 2 more. That means there are 9 people. Now turnover is 900. If you keep on doing that pattern, everybody keeps on doing what you've been doing at the top there. Everybody keeps on doing that. Now I've got 27 people. If that keeps on going, I've got 81 people. And you can see how it multiplies, how the turnover increases. And guess what? On the turnover, you can earn bonuses and make money. So you can help people be healthy, and you can help people make money. You can help people, in other words, and in the process, you can earn money. I'm going to show you how that works as well. But people who do not want to earn an additional stream of income, Just like Amazon, you sell and distribute them to them, directly to them, and deliver to the front door. Okay, they don't want to register, they want to pay full price for some reason, I don't know why, but you can sell to them. You make a profit on them, and it forms part of your total turnover, on which you can earn a bonus. How much can you earn? There's just an example again. 10 customers, about 2,000 Rand plus. 50 customers, about 10,000 Rand plus. It can be much more than this. Okay? Build your team of promoters, people that register because they want to buy discount, and they do the same as you. You can earn far more than 20,000 Rand. It can make it 200,000 Rand. It can be even more. It depends on you. So, how do you earn? Very briefly, you save money as you buy discount. That's the first way you make money. You save money. Your team members use products, and this increases your total team turnover. You earn a bonus on the total turnover of your team. And remember, your team members sell to their customers as well. This also increases the total team turnover, on which your bonus is calculated. You earn a profit on what you sell to customers, and you earn a bonus on total turnover. So, example, if you use personally 5,000 Rand, you have saved about 700 Rand. If your team has a turnover of 60,000 Rand, they also save, by the way, you earn a bonus of, let's say, 10%. If you sell 5,000 Rand to some customers, you also make a profit around about 900 Rand, depending what you sell and so on. And if you start adding all that up, total turnover is 70,000. Your bonus will now be about 6,000, if not more. But take note, your bonus plus the profit you've made must be added together. That doesn't include the money you've saved now. And what did you do? You just helped people buy at a discount. You spoke to people like we all do normally about fantastic things. Basic plan. Use products, save money. 2, get support and training. 3, share the business with people and earn a bonus. These are the steps to focus on. But if people don't want to become involved, share products and make a profit.
My name is Mapita Ramafikeng. I was working as a high school teacher. What I really didn't like about my job was that I was working hard, but I could not be able to pay school fees for my 2 sons. So the 4th month after joining, I've got the solution, because I managed to pay school fees for my sons, the other one in the country, and the other one abroad, who is now a medical doctor. I'm driving my 2 dream cars, Mercedes-Benz and the Dodge Journey. Life has changed dramatically, and my husband, remember, was working in the mines. We have achieved beyond our understanding. So what I really like is the system support from the company and the uplines. So I'm practicing that with my team. My life is so bright, my future is exciting. Thank you.
Okay, just to end off, why does it make sense to become involved, become a promoter and save money? Just give you some examples very quickly. Cleaning products. Here are 5 products from a supermarket in South Africa, and if you look at them very briefly, you can see there that those 5 bottles will give you 3.75 liters in South Africa. That will cost you more than 200 Rand at one of the supermarkets. That's about 60 Rand per liter. You can replace it with this product. This liter concentrated product will give you 11 liters cleaning product. You can see there before and after. Yes, it's a powerful cleaner. It works. And take note, you can replace those that cost 224 Rand for only about 116 Rand for equivalent strength, same number of liters of cleaning products. And it's not toxic. Less than 29 Rand per liter for equivalent strength cleaners. Those 3 from the supermarket will cost you more than 200 Rand for only 1.65 liters, more than 140 Rand per liter in the end. This product replaces them for only about 89 Rand for equivalent strength again, So if you start adding these products together, take the total package, you will see there the difference. Total cost of supermarket products, 495 Rand. Non-toxic products, 205 Rand. And that's retail price. If you're registered, that will be about 160 Rand for you, not 205. And that's a much bigger saving. You will pay almost a third of what you pay for the supermarket stuff. Here are towels cleaned by one of those products. Powerful products, non-toxic. Disinfectant, tested, certified. Dettol in the shops costing more than 100 Rand a litre. This product less than 28 Rand a litre and is certified. Make your own comparisons and you'll notice these non-toxic cleaners that we recommend actually are cheaper. Run through this very quickly. A supplement example. Most calcium supplements contain calcium carbonate or dolomite. Absorption is only about 10% of the calcium. That means if a pill is R1, you pay 1 Rand for 10 milligrams calcium. The brand we use has absorption of 84%. Can you spot the difference? And then take note, each tablet has 100 milligrams calcium in there. That means 84 milligrams of calcium for about 3 Rand. Now, you need 8 or more of the cheap brand to get to one of these. That means 8 Rand or more versus 3 Rand. Which one is cheaper now? People, we must educate people. Maybe you haven't realized this yourself. Maybe you've gone off the price and didn't realize you're wasting your money. Why not join us in our quest to make this world a healthier and happier place? Join us. And in the process, you can protect your families. And you also get healthier families and make money and help other people be healthier, save lives, and may also benefit you financially. Why not join us? Why wait? Maybe today is your time. Contact the person that shared this video with you for more information to find out how you can join. Thank you.